Hey guys, we're heading west today. We're gonna go a couple hours west and going to hunt a WMA. So it's a solo hunt, just me this time. Yesterday we got skunked for the first time this season, so that was pretty disappointing. But today I guess I'm going to head west and see if I can't get lucky out there, or at least get one bird. Man, getting skunked ain't no fun. Brings back bad memories, nightmares from last year, so stay tuned. Hopefully we get some birds. We're out here, we're set up, ready to go. We got about 20 minutes before shooting light. You can hear a few ducks every once in a while, but that's a good sign. I didn't know if there'd be anything here because there's no water hardly in the marsh over there, and there's no food for them, so we'll see what happens. But 20 minutes or so, hopefully we'll be shooting at some ducks. Well, we got one down. Not gonna be a day like yesterday where we get skunked. Oh no, that's old Spoonie. Oh, Spoonie, baby. Oh, so beautiful. I'll kill these things all day. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that they don't get very excited about spoonies. This here is the first spoonie I've ever killed. I've never been so excited about duck. Now, if I shoot a pintail, I'll be like even more excited. I'll tell you guys what, it's these solo hunts are pretty nice. People I hunt with, they sure can talk a lot. They can do a lot of talking. They about drive you crazy sometimes. But out here, just relaxing, enjoying this nice morning, watching birds fly, listening to the birds. It's always nice. Nice being out in the wild. It's just, I'd rather be sitting out here than anywhere else pretty much. I think we got duck. Got him, baby. Oh, Woody. Little hen Woody there. Well guys, it's that time. I gotta get packed up and get to work. I only saw about maybe 25-30 birds. I got the two hens, hen shoveler, and a hen wood duck, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, pack everything up, and get on out of here. Thanks for watching.